Hi everybody, welcome to STEAM Night. So today is a very dreary day outside and we're going to talk about possibly one way that you can have fun inside without needing a lot of supplies. So I have two balls, they're different sizes, and I have some plastic cups. You can also use some paper cups, some styrofoam cups, and you can decorate them if you have those types of cups too and make your own game. Now, it's very easy to do. You just stack them up, and my stack is not the highest because my balls are not that heavy. But if they were heavier, we could make a huge stack and then see if we could knock it down. But for this demonstration, we'll see what happens. Now, these balls, one is like a, I don't know, just like a normal plastic ball, and one is a plastic golf ball. So we'll see what happens. We're going to try first with the golf ball, and you'll have to remember to go ahead and use some force. That's what we're discovering today, to try to knock down the cup tower. So let's see here. I'm not the best at this, but let's see if it will go. Oh, that was close. That one didn't quite do it, but let's see if this ball will do a little bit better. Oh, we knocked it down. Awesome. So again, you can make a huge stack of cups, and if you have cups that aren't reusable, you can draw on them. You can use stickers to decorate them, and you can use all different types of balls. You can use big ones like a basketball. You can use tinier ones to try to see what the best ball is to knock down your cup tower. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you end up making this game and you want to post a picture of it on our comments below, please do so. I'd be happy to see the different games you make and the different decorations you make. So thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.